Romeo Nightingale, Owen Warner, and newcomer Rayne, Gemma Donovan, grow closer in tonight's Hollyoaks on at 6:30 p.m. See our TV guide for full listings. The two of them decide to do 5 dates in one day, as per Rayne's rules of engagement. Later, as things heat up between the pair, Rayne decides to break a few rules. However, it seems that something very sinister could be brewing for the couple when some chilling scenes unfold. What has happened, and are Rayne and Romeo in danger? Meanwhile, Mercedes McQueen, Jennifer Metcalfe, tries to protect the friendship between Felix Westwood, Richard Blackwood, and Warren Fox, Jamie Lomas, but makes a major error when she accidentally spills a secret that is overheard by the wrong person. Plus Goldie McQueen, Chelsea Healy, is on a mission to bring in some cash. She embarks on a scheme to set up a lucrative pop-up shop. Things seem to be going well until her son, Prince McQueen, Malik Thompson Dwyer, makes a big mistake by flogging their goods to the wrong villager. Suddenly mother and son are forced to take quick action to get back the item in question. Elsewhere, Diane Hutchinson's Alex Fletcher, concerned for her husband Tony, Nick Picard, grows as he swaps sleep for productivity. Chef Tony is trying to perfect his chicken soup recipe, but Diane is convinced he's got something more serious on his mind. She coaxes Tony to open up, which leads to him making a heartbreaking confession. What is upsetting Tony so much?